Many people have asked to see a detailed process of how I clean my derma roller. I always follow a two-step process to help remove debris and hair product and sanitize the derma roller of any microbes. Because I use a titanium derma roller, my derma roller needs a bit of extra cleaning. Titanium derma rollers last much longer than steel derma rollers, but because of their porous natures, require additional cleaning steps. Using a dedicated toothbrush, I gently cleanse the derma roller using distilled water and soap, making sure to brush in between the blades as well as the handle and any crevices that might be on the derma roller. I then thoroughly spritz the derma roller with alcohol. The few drops of water and the alcohol tend to dry pretty quickly, but you may want to use a towel to keep things extra neat. When all is done, I leave it to soak in alcohol and dry. I follow the same process before and after use of my derma roller. That being said, by no means am I trying to tell anyone how to clean their derma roller. We're all different, we all have our preferences. As long as you have a way of removing any dirt, grime, or hair product, as well as some type of antimicrobial for your derma roller, you should be fine. I hope you found this video helpful. Peace.